We're here at Jamie's Pizzeria and we're going to look at our brand new dishwasher. This machine was installed for us by a Hungarian company called Amecod. The dishwasher is the new Amecod iClean HM and has some key features. It has an automatic hood system as well as an automatic basket detection system without touch. It uses a wastewater heat recovery, which makes this machine very economical and sustainable. The new Amecod iClean HM creates a much pleasant working environment. Our team loves this machine as there's much less physical usage by opening and closing the hood as it's automatic. One key improvement is the new stainless steel dosing pipes, which means you don't have to change the plastic pipes all the time. Last but not the least, it uses the blue concept, which means every part that is blue on the machine can be removed, and this makes it very easy for our team to use.
Hello, my name is Robert Hartai, managing partner of Zsidai Group. Let me present you the Amecod glass washer. Stainless steel combined wash and rinse arm, which brings together the machine's rinse, wash and function. Zero risk of arm obstructing each other. Made from durable, easy to clean material. The Geo module gives you super cleaning result and no lime scale deposit on the washware. And let me tell you, the operation is more efficient with the quick and professional service by Amecod.